All right, guys, so we're going to jump in here and do some more practice with uh, the products of exponents. So what you guys should be doing is try this first problem, 4 to the third times 4 to the fifth. Simplify it. Do not get a final answer. Click continue when you're ready to check your work. Okay, so what we should be looking at here is that we have the same base. 4 is the same on both of those. So that means I can combine the exponents with multiplication by simply adding them. So the base is going to stay the same, and I see I have a power of 3 and a power of 5. So all I need to do is add those together, and I wind up with the final answer of 4 raised to the 8th power. All right, go ahead and try the next one. Hit continue when you're ready to check your answer. So we see we got the same base again, x's. It's multiplication, so I can just take the powers and add them together. I have 5 plus 2. So whenever I finish this, I should wind up with x to the 7th. All right, let's ramp up the difficulty now and look at the next one. All right, follow the same basics there. Same base, you can combine the exponents. All right, hit continue when you're ready to check your work. So the first thing I'm going to see here is that I have two numbers here that do not have exponents. I have a 5 and I have a 2. What does that mean? I can pull those out. Remember the commutative property of multiplication? It doesn't matter in what order I multiply as long as I multiply. So I can put those together and I can actually make that 5 times 2. And then I see that I have the y's here. And since it's all multiplication, I can take their exponents and add them together. So we're going to do negative 3 plus 5. And when I start to simplify this down, 5 times 2 is 10. I have my y. Negative 3 plus 5 is a positive 2. So this winds up being 10y squared. All right. One more to go. All right. This one looks difficult, but just follow those steps. Regroup together the regular numbers, group together the same variables. Follow your process. And click continue when you're ready to check your work. So I see that I have a 3 and a 2 that I can put together here. I see I have a bunch of k's with different exponents, so I can pull the k down, and since it's all multiplication, I can just take these exponents and add them all together. So I can, on the k, I can do 2 plus 5 plus a negative 1. Now, I can't do anything with that y to the third because it's not the same base. It doesn't have k as its base. So that y to the third is just kind of going to stay here by himself. Nothing we can do with that exponent. We don't have the same base. So I see I have 3 times 2 is 6 times k, and then add together the exponents. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus a negative 1 is 6. So I have 6k to the 6th and y to the third. All right, hopefully you guys got some good practice. If you need more practice, remember you can always go back to the CK12 on Discovery Day 1, do the practice at the bottom, call your teachers for help, and we hope to see you guys in the live lessons.